Hello, welcome to Delaney Automotive. Here we have the 2016 Chevrolet Equinox equipped with the fog lights, breakaway mirrors, roof rails, chrome wheels, and even Bluetooth capability. There's a lot more features on the inside. Let me show you them here in just 1 second. Here we have a lot of cargo space, for the mom and dad, so you can actually put a lot of things in here: a stroller, baggage, groceries, a lot of room. Even got some storage space underneath where the spare tire is. Moving around, you have the nice little bench seat in the back. Plenty of room for the kids and their friends. And then coming back around to as well the front, you got the premium cloth seating in the vehicle, along with Bluetooth, rear vision camera, a lot of other different features. Please come out and check it out. Again, this is Delaney Chevrolet, where this Equinox is included at. Please give us a call right in town. Our phone number is 724-349-3000. Ask for John if you have any other questions about this vehicle. I hope to see you soon.